In this video we will learn how to generate a PF withdrawal request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Payroll module on top navigation bar. So here you can see PF withdrawal request form. Click on the Apply for PF Withdrawal button to add a new request. Next, select an employee whose salary change requisition is to be generated. Enter title for the request. Select date and then enter amount. Add a reason before submitting the request. Click on a Submit button to submit your request. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.